Do you know the worst thing about growing out your hair after you've shaved it? It is that your hair kind of all grows out at the same time and the same length. And when you leave your hair grow, untamed for many months like I have, the hair starts looking a bit mullety.
I don't know how my boyfriend hasn't said anything yet when he wakes up next to me in the morning.
So I think it's time that we officially do something about this.
I'm dreading this video. Cutting my own hair is certainly not a new thing for me. I'm definitely not a novice. But I feel like today's video is going to be taken to a level that I don't know that I'm ready for it yet. Don't know that I'm comfortable with it. In case you're unfamiliar, my name is Stella. I'm a very, very big hair enthusiast, and I love using myself as a guinea pig for pretty much every single hair change and transformation. One of the recent things that I did is shave my hair. But now I'm in the stage of my life where I'm growing it back out. My hair is successfully one length pretty much all over. And because I want to give my hair a tiny bit of shape so I don't look like this, today I'm attempting to neaten it up and give myself a really cute pixie cut. Here's where the problems begin. Pixie cuts in general are tricky to cut. Be fantastic at cutting layers, cutting one length cuts, cutting bobs, and be absolutely shit at pixie cuts or short haircuts. They require a completely different skill set. Now I have very limited experience in cutting short haircuts on other people. Cutting anything on yourself is extremely difficult. Cutting a fringe is one thing, right? Cutting face framing layers. Cutting anything on the back of your head is a whole other ballpark because you can't see anything, and also our hand doesn't necessarily bend that way. Our third problem then becomes visibility. So multiple issues. This video is straight out stressing me out. The only thing that hasn't stressed me out today is my sleeping pillow.
This is the magic pillow. Yes, this video is sponsored, but hear me out as I explain to you the best investment that you can make for your sleep. This is the patented Sleep and Glow Omnia pillow. It has a unique 3D design that helps you fight and prevent sleep wrinkles and morning puffiness. In contrast to literally every other pillow on the market, this pillow cradles our face and almost helps us float. This allows the skin to remain unstretched through the night. It is also designed by orthopedists to ensure that we sleep anatomically correct in a correct body position. Importance for our posture. Everyone on TikTok is going to tell you, watch out for your posture. This thing is the first thing that is going to help us for that. But my absolute holy grail favorite feature that this pillow has is the fact that as it cradles your face, it also cradles your ears. Honeys, I cannot tell you how much this has saved me every night from the murder that happens on my ears because of my piercings. This pillow has single-handedly solved that problem. These pillows are made from top quality memory foam. It is hypoallergenic and it is suitable for sensitive skin. It is the softest pillow in the world and it supports you like no other pillow will ever support you. It is amazing.
Can you please? Thank you. You stink. Oh, I know. I kind of wish I had that pillow here with me today, and also that I could just lay my head on it and someone else would just cut it. I could have gone to my hairstylist. I could have gone to my really, really talented, amazing hairstylist to get my hair cut, except what's the fun in that? Let's start setting up. These are the ones that I'm going to be using. I found them off of Amazon. They were around $60 and they come with regular cutting scissors, thinning shears, a comb, a cloth, and a tool to adjust your screws. First preventative action that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cover this one index finger in plasters. I have such a bad tendency of cutting myself. Again, preventative is a cape. And now, this is how we're going to try our very best to make it work. Yay! First thing I think I want to do is I want to wet my hair, because I think I want to do this on wet hair. I spent almost 3 hours cutting my hair, but here's the result. I'm sorry, the amount of non-hope that I had for this video working out, and it working out. First of all, this is a really cute look. Like, whoever says that short hair on girls cannot be feminine is straight up lying out of their ass, because I have never felt more beautiful. Like, the buzz cut was brave, right? The buzz cut, you have to wear like a lot of makeup for it, but this one, I feel like it's just sitting so freaking cute. It's just the right hint of feminine like features, right? It's looking very elf-like. We've got the micro bangs, we've got the cute chocolate hair color. It's giving elfin, it's giving Pixie, it's giving Tinkerbell. I cannot be more in love with this. To top it all off, I did it myself. I had zero faith in myself doing this because I've never seen anyone barber their own hair. It's like, it's not great, it's not 10 on 10, but it's doable and it was free. Don't try this. I mean it, don't try this. I went into this because I'm fine with being a guinea pig. I'm so happy to just go with the flow and just try things, because I knew that if I messed it up, I would call up, you know, a hairstylist, be like, hello, can you fit me in? Probably after the new year, let's be fully honest. I don't know when this video is going up. It is after the new year. Happy New Year, by the way. If you try it, have someone there as a helping hand is all I'm gonna say. Otherwise, however, a fantastic try. Like, if you want to be a model, go for it. If you want to barber your hair, freaking go for it. Was it difficult? Absolutely. Did I get so messy I never want to cut hair again? Yes. Was it a workout? Yes, but it's the new year apparently. All right, it's the time to get back into the gym season. Oh my God. I have a short pixie cut and I did it myself and I love it. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel, join the Stellar fam, learn a thing or two together, and we are going to learn. This year is going to be all about learning, and it's also going to be the year that something amazing is going to be launching. I can finally say that. So stay tuned. It's going to be listed down in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video, babies. I love you. Bye!